Hi, this is Ogden Morse, co-founder and chief executive of Academic Merit. The Common Core state standards are ushering in a paradigm shift at every level of American education, particularly high school. Just in the past 12 months, teachers and administrators in 44 states have gone from, "What's the Common Core?" to a sense of being overwhelmed by all that is involved and aligning with them. Much is still evolving about the details, but as a company founded by teachers, we believe that, implemented properly, the Common Core state standards have the potential to improve education by providing a consistent set of expectations for all students in the United States, raising intellectual rigor in the process, while actually encouraging, not discouraging, innovation, creativity, and flexibility in the classroom. Academic Merit is ready to help ensure that outcome with a suite of online tools that accomplishes what all of us teachers know is a frequently discussed but often elusive goal: seamlessly linking professional development, assessment, instruction, and learning. Developed by classroom teachers, grounded in content-rich pedagogy, and honed through extensive use and formal research, Fine-Tune, Assessments 21, and Literary Companion represent a sequence designed to help schools align with the Common Core in reading and writing for grades 7 through 12, while being at once comprehensive and adaptable. Here's how our products complement each other to not only facilitate alignment, but to profoundly enhance learning and instruction in general. Step 1 is Fine-Tune, a patent-pending online professional development tool that gives teachers anytime, anywhere access to a database of hundreds of actual student essays, and then experience scoring those essays using a comprehensive 5-category rubric aligned with the Common Core. Even for those teachers accustomed to using rubrics, this process tends to be an eye-opener. Over time, through Fine-Tune's built-in analysis of each essay, teachers calibrate their scoring with this rubric, and, it's worth noting, with each other, benefiting students by giving them something they've traditionally lacked: a consistent set of expectations for writing, regardless of the teacher doing the evaluation. Finally, when they're ready, teachers take a built-in assessment to confirm the accuracy of their scoring. Throughout the process, teachers and their supervisors can see detailed analysis of their performance, further supporting their professional development tied to the Common Core. Innovative, isn't it? Step 2 is Assessments 21, a patent-pending online tool for classroom-based common assessments in reading comprehension and written analysis, using short stories, poetry, and nonfiction texts divided into 4 levels of difficulty. Aligned with 8 of the 10 college and career readiness anchor standards in reading, A21 assessments can be administered at the state, district, school, or classroom level. Each of the questions in the reading comprehension quiz, which is scored automatically, is aligned with a particular anchor standard, enabling both student and teacher to more accurately pinpoint areas of strength and weakness. Each writing prompt, meanwhile, is aligned with one or more anchor standards in writing. And here's where one of the seamless links comes in. Teachers are able to apply their training in Fine-Tune by conducting the double-blind scoring of the students' essays in A21, using Academic Merit's patent-pending centralized online scoring system. The resulting data from both assessments are available to student, teacher, and administrator and are instantly archived, so student performance can be tracked from assessment to assessment and year to year. Practical, isn't it? And finally, the sequence culminates with Step 3, Literary Companion, a content-rich learning, instruction, and assessment tool providing text-specific study of classic and contemporary literature that puts all of the seamless linking of which we speak on full display. Each text chosen for its ever-expanding library is consistent with the anchor standard's note on range and content. The pedagogy is aligned with reading standards 1 through 6, with an emphasis on vocabulary, character development, plot, and themes. As with A21, all reading comprehension questions are aligned with specific anchor standards, and all writing prompts align with one or more standards. Also, as with A21, teachers draw on their Fine-Tune training to score their students' writing. All resulting data are immediately archived, providing student, teacher, and administrator with a complementary set of data to A21's. And we're just getting started. The next step we're pursuing is to provide teachers with direct links in Literary Companion to recommendations for thematically related A21 texts, especially nonfiction, that will facilitate differentiated instruction while delivering to students a richer learning experience. The dawn of the Common Core era is bringing plenty of confusion. At Academic Merit, we believe our products bring some much-needed clarity, combining quality content and online technology to provide both students and teachers with the support they need to measurably improve learning and instruction.